Hi everybody, it's Daniel. Just got in. I just got him two of these jigsaws that he quite likes, the cheap Chinese stuff. He's chosen them. Okay, can you open them, Daniel? Daniel, can you open the bag?
Yeah, I want to do this first.
Well, go on then, open it. What is it? Show people what it is first. Is that Dory?
I think so.
Well, show us it.
I'm going to open it.
Well, it's all going to fall out, isn't it, once it's open?
No.
Daniel's just had his hair cut, that's why I've taken him out early. And for being such a good boy, I got him a couple of jigsaws. Just a minute, I'll open them for him. Oh yeah, I've just opened him that one. It's is it a Dory fish, Daniel?
Yeah?
Okay. That's it. Could you pass me the plastic? That's it, I don't want that floating around. It's dangerous. Right, okay. So mix all the pieces up, darling. Helps if you put them the right way up. Show people your new haircut, Dan. Daniel, let's have a look at your haircut. Look at me. Wow, give us a smile. That's lovely. Okay, so you're going to do that one first.
Yeah.
All right, we'll come back to you in a minute then. I'll put this rubbish away. Right, have you made that already? That's in record time. There's one piece missing, Daniel. Where is it?
Yeah, it's here.
Where was that?
I'm on my head.
You hid it on your head?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put it up together and then show everybody what it is that you've made. Let's see. Keep it still. Oh, it's Dory. Like that one?
This is Dory.
It's a bit simple, isn't it, that one? How long did it take you to do that?
Dory is the fish.
Oh, it's a fish, is it? I won't say what I thought it was. Right, what's this one? That's your other one you got to do. I thought this would keep him occupied for a couple of hours, but it don't. He just does them in seconds. Well, minutes. Right, what about the next one, Daniel?
Wait.
Oh, hang on.
Break that.
What are you doing now?
I just break Dory.
Okay. Right, just move it out the way. And don't break. That's it. Now bring the other one. Let's have a look at the other one. Show people what it is.
Mickey Mouse.
Keep it still. No, keep it still.
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse and
Donald Duck.
and Donald Duck. Okay, lovely. All right, empty the pieces out. That's it. Mix them all up. Don't cheat.
Daddy, look at sticks.
All right, we'll just mix them all up. Go on. Go on. Mix them up so you're not cheating. And the ones that are fastened together, break them up. Yeah, break it up. Come on. And mix it up. That's good. You'll find it easier if you use two hands, Daniel. Two hands, Daniel. Well, just use two hands and pull it up. I haven't got all down. I'm there and kneeling down with you. Right, okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Right, what are you going to do? You're going to move that? Yeah, that's right, yeah. We'll push the pieces out the way and then you can put the board in front of you. Oh, that's pull. Now, where are you going to put that now? On there.
I'm going
Okay. I'll leave you to it then, alright?
Oh, wait.
Oh, yeah. He's finding the other one, Dory, was a bit easy. And he's got experience in building these. This one's a bit more difficult. Are you struggling, Daniel? What are you doing, son? What are you looking for? Alright. Speak up. Please speak. What'd you say? Speak up.
I think this one is easy.
That's easy.
Yeah.
Are you joking? Complete concentration. Actually wanted to get him some colouring books because he loves colouring, but they didn't have any in. We only went to National Bookstore. And they vary from branch to branch what they have in. So anyway, he saw these, so I thought, well, that'll keep him busy. But I know it's a good thing that he can make them because he's using his brain. But it means he needs more looking after. Don't you, Daniel? Hmm? Looks like the last piece. Yeah? Very good, Daniel. Can you lift it up and show everybody what it is? Don't break it apart now. Let's have a look. Very, very good. For kids who like jigsaws, we got these, as I say, on National Bookstore. They're only 49 pesos each. Depends on the level of experience.
Daddy, I have an idea.
Go on then, tell me an idea.
Maybe we should do Spider-Man and Dory in this too. When I count down to 1, 2, 2, 3, like that.
I can do that later, but Spider-Man came last time.
And I want the Spider-Man.
All right.
Hello everybody. Please subscribe. Bye bye. Don't forget to approve.